Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. Today in this video, we are going to discuss an important question from the examination point of view, especially for part 2 and part 3 students. Because this question is Miller indices. In this question, first of all, we will see what is the definition of Miller indices and how are they calculated, and then we will calculate interplanar spacing. So let us start. In the first part of the answer, we will see the concept of Miller indices. The position and orientation of a crystal are determined by any three non-collinear points in the plane. If each point lies on a crystal axis, the plane can be specified by giving the position of points along the axis in terms of the lattice constants. इस क्वेश्चन को समझने के पहले थोड़ा सा हम पीछे जो वीडियो में बता चुके थे उसके थोड़ा रिवाइज कर देते हैं। इसके पिछले वीडियो में बताए थे कि क्रिस्टल क्या है, क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड क्या है। तो उसमें बोले थे कि जो लैटिस बोले थे क्या है, लैटिस क्या है, एरे ऑफ पॉइंट्स है, लार्ज नंबर पॉइंट्स, दे आर अरेंज्ड इन ए रेगुलर पैटर्न। व्हेन यू ज्वाइन a points in one line, actually it will construct a plane, and all the parallel planes we may consider not only in one direction, but you may change the orientation. So there may be so many planes, large number of planes and large number of orientations. The problem is that how to design it these planes. See here, how to design it these planes. Okay, तो क्रिस्टल में प्लेन को कैसे डिजाइनेट करते हैं, देख तो हम लोग पाते नहीं है उसको, तो आखिर क्या किया जाए। मिलर इवॉल्व ए मेथड टू डिजाइनेट ए सेट ऑफ पैरेलल प्लेन्स, यानी मिलर ने एक टेक्निक दिया और उस टेक्निक के आधार पर किसी प्लेन को हम डिजाइनेट कर सकते हैं। जैसे एक प्लेन को हम डिजाइनेट किए, उसके जितने भी पैरेलल हैं सब आइडेंटिकल होगा, सबका डिजाइनेट वही होगा। और कैसे डिजाइन करते हैं, तीन नंबर चुनते हैं, तीन इंटीजर लेते हैं इसके लिए, एच के एल, इसको ब्रैकेट के अंदर लिख देते हैं एच के एल। ये मिलर इंडिसेस है। अब उसका निर्धारण कैसे करते हैं, हाउ टू डिटरमाइन मिलर इंडिसेस, जो एच के एल का वैल्यू हम निकालते हैं कैसे निकालते हैं, तो उसके लिए स्टेप बाय स्टेप हम लोग बढ़ते हैं। The first step, what we do, determine the coordinates of the intercept made by the plane along the three crystallographic axes, that is x, y, z. Okay, so here x is equal to what, 2a. You can see the figure here. I am coming to the figure. This one, 1 unit, 2 unit. So along x axis there are 2 units, along y axis here there are 3 units, 1, 2, 3, and along C z axis it is 1 unit. That is why I have written here x is equal to 2a, y is equal to 2b, and z is equal to c. Okay, here 2 is replaced by p, 3 is replaced by q, c is replaced by r. So p is equal to 2, q is equal to 3, r is equal to 1. Now express the above intercept as multiples of the unit cell dimensions or lattice parameter. How? We divide 2a by a, we divide 3b by b, and we divide c by c. So we get 2, 3, 1. You can see 2, 3, 1. Okay. Let the reciprocal of the intercept. अब देखिए इंटरसेप्ट आप देख चुके हैं, 2 3 1, उसका रेसिप्रोकल लेना है। उसका रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा? इट विल बी 1/2 1/3 1/1। okay, now we reduce these reciprocals to the smallest set of integers, integral numbers, and enclose within the bracket. What we do? How to reduce? See here, this is 2 3 1. So take the, it will be 2 and 3, 2 into 3 6, 6 into 1 6. So we multiply this one by 6, this one by 6, again this one by 6. So it will be, finally it will be 6 into half, 6 into 1 by 3, 6 into 1 by 1. Okay. So it is 3 2 6. Now you can see from the beginning. First step, we see the intercept 2a 3b c, and second step 2a actually taken here, 3b from here, c from here, and we take the intercept 2 3 1, and we take the reciprocal. Second step is 1 by 2 1 by 3 1 by 1. Now we reduce into smallest, 6 into 1 by 2, 6 into 1 by 3, 6 into 1 by 1. So it is 3 to 1. We write in bracket similar to HKL. Here H is equal to 3, K is equal to 2, L is equal to 6. Now finally we may write 1 by P is to 1 by Q is to 1 by R, means 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 1. Here HKL means 3 2 6. Okay, this is the Miller indices. Now we designed the plane by 3 to 6. The next part of the question is interplanar spacing. Come here, interplanar spacing. This is the next part of the question, and we are going to answer this part. These are the distances between the planes and are represented by a number of parts of the body diagram of units. In terms of Miller indices, the distance between planes can be calculated. Let us consider a plane with Miller indices HKL. This has intercept A by H, B by K, C by L on the three axes X, Y, and Z respectively. If D is the length of the normal from the origin to the plane, and alpha, beta, gamma are angles which the normal ON makes with the coordinate axis. You can see the figure. This is your figure. Okay. See here, this is the normal ON, and this one is alpha, this one is beta, this one, and this one is gamma. This is the intercept A by H, this is the intercept B by K, this is the intercept C by F. So how to proceed here? See here from figure. If you draw a normal, this angle ON, it is the 90 degree, and this one is alpha. So from figure, if we take cos alpha, this one is alpha, cos alpha is equal to base by hypotenuse, means ON by OA. So ON is equal to what? OA cos alpha. And as you can see from figure, OA is equal to A by H. So we may write here A by H. And that is why ON means D, this one. So D is equal to what? A by H cos alpha. Similarly, we may write D is equal to B by cos beta. Similarly, we may write D is equal to C by L cos gamma. And we know that cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to what? 1. So D H K L is equal to 1 by this under root H square by A square plus K square by B square plus L square by C square. Here DHKL gives the distance between the two successive plane HKL for a cubic system. Now the last part of the question. I am coming to the question. See here. Determine the interplanar spacing between the parallel planes with Miller indices HKL in a cubic crystal of side A. So I am going to take each side A because it is a cube. Last part. See here. This is the side of A, B, C. because we are going to consider cube whose sides are equal, that is a. So here it will be a square, a square, a square. DHL gives the distance, and if we set a is equal to b is equal to c, then DHL is equal to a by this one, because here a square, a square, a square, taking common a square, it will be a square under root, after square root it will be 1 by a will go upside, so DHL is equal to a by this one. So for a cubic system, that is the direction HKL is perpendicular to HKL plane. So I hope you have understood this question answer. Thank you.